As of August 1st, 2025, sweeping changes in personal finance, payments, employment benefits, banking, UPI, and our daily expenses are coming into effect across India. So, here is the actionable guide outlining what's changing and why it matters to you and to me, and how you can protect and grow your money. Hello everyone, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. In today's video, we will be diving into all the relevant changes that will be applicable to you and to my money. So the first change that we will be talking about is the UPI rule. So faster, safer and stricter balance inquiry limit has been applied. Now you can check your UPI linked account balance only 50 times per day per app. This reduces unintentional system overload and curbs fraud by background apps constantly polling balances. So you can now view the list of your bank accounts only 25 times daily per app. Next is the autopay mandates timing. So standing instructions for SIPs, OTT subscription, utility bills, etc. will auto debit only during off-peak hours, which are 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. If any autopay fails, it's retried up to 2 more times. 3 failures lead to cancellation. Next is the inactive UPI ID. So if you haven't used your UPI ID for 12 plus months, so it will be automatically disabled to prevent all the scams. Next is we have a strict account addition as well. So tighter verification is now required to link a new bank account to UPI. You can expect extra authentication steps as well. So now new update on credit line as well has been there on UPI especially. So from August 31st, pre-approved credit lines and overdraft account can be used for UPI payments, potentially increasing spend flexibility and responsible credit use. So now you can expect a faster service as well. So all UPI core services must respond within 10 seconds is the new rule, which will help in improving reliability and transaction speed. So in this case, what can you do? So you can avoid frequent and automated balance requests first, and second is you make sure that you have enough funds in your account during midnight hours for the autopays. And make sure you check your UPI activity at regular intervals, and if you are not using any of your UPI IDs, you can make them inactive. Friends, since I'm talking about the insurance part here, we all know that insurance is very important for everyone and we all should have this thing in our life, because nobody knows what will happen to us if we are the only earning members of the family, and you know that your family is dependent on you. What will you do if something happens to you in any case of the emergency? Who will take care of your families and their financial security? But I have this solution, because I have Policy Bazaar for you, because it is one of the best platforms to explore the insurance with high coverage at a low cost. They let you compare 51 insurance side by side, and you can get up to 2 crore term insurance for just 600 to 700 rupees per month. Plus they offer up to 15% discount on premiums as well. And this is not only about term insurance, you can explore the health insurance section as well, where the plans are starting with just rupees 400 to 500 rupees per month, and you can get a coverage of 1 crore. And that too up to 25% off if you buy online. They even offer 30-minute claim support, and you are not left waiting during emergencies. If you are planning to start a family, some health plans also cover maternity expenses, including prenatal checkups, delivery, postnatal care, and even a 50,000 maternity benefit even in the 6th month of the pregnancy. So if you are serious about your families and their financial security, do check out the link in the description and the channel profile. Second change is for the EPFO and the EDLI scheme. So more secure retirement and insurance will be there. First is for first time home buyers. So you can withdraw your PF amount easily. So old rule says that you needed 5 years for EPF membership plus 36 months of contribution to withdraw your PF amount for building a home. So but now from July 2025, you can now withdraw up to 90% of your PF corpus after just 3 years of EPF membership. And this is for one time for first time home buyers. This will impact the home ownership becoming easier. Next is 50,000 EDLI life insurance guarantee will be given. So minimum payout of 50,000 for EPFO members' families. Even if your PF balance is very low, you can still get it, and this has begun from July 18, 2025. Previously, it was used to happen that if you have low balances, it might get rejected, but now it will not happen. Also, gaps up to 60 days between your jobs won't break your continuous service record for PF, EDLI scheme and your pension eligibility. So now what should you do in this? If eligible, consider using the relaxed PF withdrawal rules for your advantage for big life goals. And you should ensure that your employer is updating your EPF, EDLI records so that they cannot impact your family's financial security. Next is the new PM Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana is changing the job market. For employees, if this is your first time joining EPFO and your salary is under 1 lakh per month, so you get a one-time bonus up to 15,000 paid in 2 installments. First after 6 months with the same employer, second after another 6 months. Plus, finishing a quick financial literacy training goal will be yours. So motivate your young workers to stay, earn and learn how to manage money better. For employers, hire new employees 1,000 to 3,000 per month per employee paid monthly for up to 4 years in manufacturing sector and 2 years elsewhere in the other sectors. So must keep new hires for minimum 6 months. All payments are directly credited to the eligible bank accounts. So if you are the one who is looking for a new job or helping the youth, type yes in the comment section. Next is, ever wondered what happens to your money if, well, something unexpected happens? Here's the new rule. Now you can name up to 4 nominees for every savings account, FD and the locker. So why it matters? You can split deposits successively, one after the other, or simultaneously percentage wise. For lockers, one successive nomination allowed. No more legal hassles for your family now. Next, we have FASTag annual pass with us now. So big savings for frequent drivers. Because I know many of us love road trips, travel highways often, right? So from 15th of August, you can get an annual FASTag pass for just 3,000 rupees for the whole year, and where you will get 200 national highway trips toll free. This is valid for one vehicle. So if you want to apply for this, you can just visit the NHAI website or download Rajmarg Yatra app. Remember, for this, KYC should be done and you should have an active FASTag. So now there is no need to keep recharging your wallet for every trip. Tell me in the comment section that how much money do you spend on your FASTag recharges. I know that this is not enough for everyone because there are many people who want to become a boss, and for that you just need to download Bosswala app. They are giving you a fantastic offer. In just 999 you can get the access to 500 plus courses where the experts will tell you how to build a good business. They'll help you to grow, they'll help you to plan, they'll help you to launch your businesses, and even if you want to know about your investments, your savings, or you want to know about farming, agriculture being in one of the top listed, if you want to do something to earn better, and even if you want to know about farming and agriculture and you want to make them as your hobby business tool, the Bosswala app can help you. And for the link, you can check out my channel profile and description. Next, for the LPG, CNG, PGN and ATF prices. So LPG cylinders, CNG cars, PNG home gas, monthly price resets happens every first of the month. Now, if you should talk about the LPG prices, so it has been reduced by 33.50 rupees and the new price is now 1631.50. So domestic LPG cylinder, there has been no change in the price for 14.2 kg cylinder. It is still on 803 rupees. Now you tell me in the comment section what is the price in your city. So friends, now on the screen you can see a gist of all the changes that I have told you in this video, and I hope that you have understood everything. Still, if you have any doubts or feedback or suggestions for me, do let me know in the comment section. And by that time, I am Ansi, will see you in the next video.
Bosswala. Be the boss.